Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start new chapter. Chapter name is addition and subtraction. So what is the meaning of addition? Addition means putting things together. Putting things together. And its symbol is plus. Its symbol is plus. And next is subtraction. So what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. And its symbol is minus. Its symbol is minus. So let's start with example. Yes, students, first we will do column addition with regrouping. Column addition with regrouping. Addition of number with regrouping. So regrouping is done whenever a column in an addition problem adds up to more than 10. Adds up to more than 10. So students, look at the number in the place value chart. So observe the addition of digit in the ones place. Here in the ones column 4 and 7. So students, first we will add 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7 means 11. 4 plus 7 means 11. So place the digit 1 in the ones place. Place the digit 1 in the ones place and regroup the digit 1 to the tens column like this. Now notice the carryover from the ones place to the tens place. Then add the digit in the tens column like this. 1 plus 1 plus 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 we will write at the tens place. Now similarly add the digit in the hundreds place. So what is 7 plus 9 equal to 16. So 6 we will write in the 100 place and 1 we will carry to the 1000 place. Now at the 1000 place we will add 1 plus 9 plus 2 means 12. Again we will write 2 in the 1000 place and 1 carry over the 10,000 place. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we will write here 2. That means now 22,671 is the sum of 19,714 and 2,957. Now second, another example with addition of 5 digit and 6 digit numbers with regrouping. So consider the number 4,92,754, 12,536 and 37,129. So let us follow the steps to add the three numbers is with regrouping. So first step, first place the number in the place value chart column correctly. So here I have written 4,92,754. Second number 12,536. Third one 37,129. So it's correctly. Now step 2. Begin by adding the digits in the ones column and regroup. So let's start add. So 4 plus 6 plus 9, it's 19. So place the digit 9 in place in the ones place and carry over the digit 1 in the to the tens place. Now add 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. 8 11. So we will write 1 in the tens place and 1 carry over to the 100 place. Now 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 is 14. So here we will write 4 and 1 carry over to next place. Now 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 7 is 12. So here we will write 2 and 1 carry forward to next place. Now 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3 is 14. So we will write 4 and 1 again carry. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. Now what is the number we get? We get 5,42,419. Now students, it's time to exercise 3A. So question number 2, solve the following we will do. A. In a carnival. So students, what is the meaning of carnival? Carnival means a public festival that takes place in the streets with music and dancing. So in a carnival, Anu, Ramesh and Smriti had put 3 different game stalls, and the collection at Anu's stall was 6,759, at Ramesh's stall was 8,530, and at Smriti's stall was 9,876. So what was the total collection of the 3 stalls taken all together? So students, to get the total collection of the 3 stalls, we add, to get the total collection of 3 stalls, we add, first was Anu's stall. So rupees 6,759. Then rupees 1,530. Students, you can write here Anu's stall and Ramesh's stall and Smriti's stall, and 9,876 rupees. Now we add. So first in the ones place, 9 plus 3 plus 6, 18. So we will write here 8. Now 1 carry forward to tens place. Now 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 7, 14. So we will write 4 here and 1 carry forward to 100 place. Now 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8. So it's 21. We will write 1 here and 2 carry forward. Now 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 means 25. So we will write 5 here. Oh no, sorry, 25. We will write, this is rupees. Okay. Now what is the total collection of all 3 stores? So 25,148. Clear, students?